We're going to divide. We have 156i all over 5 plus I. So we're going to divide this complex number by multiplying this fraction by its conjugate, the conjugate of the denominator. So we're going to create a fraction. The fraction we create will be the conjugate of our denominator. So that's going to be 5 minus I. And we're going to multiply it to the numerator and to the denominator. Therefore, let's bring together our numerators, the factors we have. We have 156i times 5 minus I all over our denominator, 5 plus I times 5 minus I. Okay, so the numerator, let's distribute 156i times 5, which gives us 780i, and then we have 156i times negative I. That gives us negative 156i squared. Okay, and we'll finish that in a second. Let's multiply our denominators. Here again, all we need to do is multiply the first term and the last terms, because we already know that the middle terms are going to cancel out. So then we're going to have 25 minus I squared. Don't forget that I squared is equal to negative 1. So where we see negative 1, where we see I squared, we're going to say times negative 1. So in the numerator, that negative 156 becomes positive 156. In our denominator, the I squared, we're saying times negative 1. We're going to multiply it to the negative that's there. That's going to give us a plus 1. So in our denominator, we have 25 plus 1. So we have 780i plus 156 all over 26. And we want to make sure we reduce and also write our answer in standard form. Write your answer in standard form. So we have here 156, and let me say standard form is a plus bi. We have 156 over 26 plus 780i over 26. And then let's reduce. So 156 divided by 26, that is 6 plus, and then we have 780i divided by 26, and that will give us 30i. And there we go. 6 plus 30i.